Hello everyone, I am Ekta Bisain. This video is CSE third semester student. Subject is data structure and my topic is sorting and searching. So let's go. What is a searching? Searching algorithm is an essential tool in computer science used to locate a specific item within a collection of data. In this tutorial, we are mainly going to focus upon searching in a array. When we search an item in array, there are two most common algorithms are based on the type of input array. This is linear search and binary search. So, linear search it is a use to unsorted array. It mainly used does one by one comparison of the item to be searched with array element, and it take linear and time taken the order of n, because it is comparisons based algorithm. To step one by one is all elements in the array. So linear search is the type of sequential search algorithm. In this method, every element within the input array is traversed and compared with the key element to be found. If a match is found in the array, the search is said to be successfully. If there no match found, the search is said to be unsuccessfully and gives the worst case time complexity. So this is a linear search algorithm. Second one is a binary search. Binary search it is used for mainly used for the term and conditions ki array is a shorted form. It mainly compare the array the middle element. So first element, if the middle element is the same as input, then the return. Otherwise, the searching either the left half and right half, the based on comparison result. Whatever the mid element is smaller than left side and greater than the go to the right side. This algorithm is a faster than is a linear search and time taken to the order of log n. Okay, so binary search is the first search algorithm and run time complexity is a log n. This search algorithm works on the principle of divide and conquer method. Since it divide the array into two halves before the searching. For this algorithm to work properly, and the data collection should be in the shorted form. So these are a binary search. The mainly particular is a key binary is a particular used for shorted array. Okay. Now binary search algorithm. So binary search algorithm is a interval searching method that perform the searching in interval only. The input taken by binary search algorithm must always be in a shorted array, since it divides the array into a subarray, the based on the greater and lower values. The algorithm follows two procedure belongs. Step 1, select the middle item in the array and compare it with the key value to be searched. If the target element are matched, to return the position of the middle. But step 2, if the target value is not matched, then check it the value either greater than or less than of the middle value. So next step, if the key is greater than, the perform the search is right subarray, but if the key is lower than middle value, so then perform the search is left subarray. Okay, this next step, The repeat the step 1 and 2, 3 respectively until the size of array becomes is 1. Okay. Step 5, if the key value does not exist of the array, then the algorithm return is a unsuccessful search. Okay, so these are searching properties, and next is the sorting. Sorting, it means refer the arranging data in a particular format. Sorting algorithm specific the way of arrange data in a particular order. It means ascending or descending order. The most commonly order are the numerical and lexicographical orders. The importance of sorting lies in the fact of the data searching can be optimized to a very high level if the data is stored in the sorted manner. Sorting is also used to respect data in more readable format. Following are the same example of sorting in real life. Like a telephone dictionary. The telephone dictionary store the telephone numbers of peoples sorted by their names so that the names can be searched easily. Okay. Yeah, dictionary. The dictionary store the word in alphabet order so that searching of the word becomes easy. These are sorting techniques. Okay, so sorting is mainly used by two types. Sorting mainly there are two types. It is a stable sorting and non-stable sorting. If the algorithm after storing the collection of the data not change the sequence of similar constant in which the appear, it's called a stable sorting. And non-stable, it means the algorithm after the sorting the collection change the sequence in similar in which there appear the called in unsorting array. There is a sorting techniques available to be act for the various data structure following this case. First one is a comparison based sorting and non-comparison based sorting. Comparison based sorting like a bubble sort, selection sort, merge sort, insertion sort, heap sort, cell sort. These are a comparison based sorting. And non-comparison based sorting is a bucket sort, radish sort, and counting sort. Okay. So bubble sort. Bubble sort, it means the it is used for the in linear array. So largest element in the position of the right side, and this right side, and these are a first pass completed. Second one, the n problem is divided to n minus 1 and n minus 2 and minus 3 respectively, all comparison one by one in array. So there is a time complexity of the order of n square, because n into n minus 1 by 2, it is a linear equations. So these are a time complexity is a order of n square. Selection sort, it is a ascending order. Basically, given the array, the smallest element in the searching the smallest element and position fixed to position is a first position, and then next second one, then third, then next, and sorting to the ascending order. Okay. Insertion sort, it means the comparison element in one by one, like a card game, for example gaming a card. Okay, so card are distribute the all persons, so one by one take a one cards. So first card is a compared no other cards, but second card is a compared to the first card, and first card save a less value, so shift to the left side, and right greater value to this card is move to the right side. This is a process of the insertion shot. Okay, next is a quick shot. Quick shot, it is basically the divide and conquer based algorithm. So uh, conquer based algorithm, and so divide the determine the pivotal element, and pivot element to change the positions are two parts. Okay, so target value less left side is a less than value, and right side is a greater than value. Okay, and merge shot also in a divide and conquer based algorithm, and it this algorithm are processed to the paired divide to the paired form, and जब तक वो पेयर करे, जब तक वो सिंगल वन यूनिट में ना आ जाए तब तक वो डिवाइड करेगा, एंड देन सॉल्विंग द शॉर्टिंग एंड द सर्चिंग मर्जिंग. ओके, heap shot is a two types, mean heap and max heaps. Okay, so mean heap is a ascending order and max heap is a descending orders. Okay, so next is a non-comparisons based algorithm, Reddick shot. Reddick shot is a comparison the unit wise values, and these are LHM nahi, least significant bit move to the most significant bit, and find the largest given the values, find the largest element, and how to decide largest element, and largest element how to width in this size. Suppose the largest element is a 702, that means ki 702 means width is a 3 digits. Okay, so all elements in the array are arranging the same size, between means by default using the zeros. Okay, and then this algorithm process to LH least significant go to the most significant, one by one ordering form comparisons. Okay, so thank you.